In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to change the image quality of your Canon EOS R, mirrorless or DSLR camera like the EOS R7 or R8 so that you can switch between JPEG or RAW photos on demand or even capture in both formats at the same time. To change the picture shooting quality of your Canon EOS camera, first make sure that it's on photo mode and not on video mode. Then you'll need to open the menu and go to the first settings tab with the camera icon. And here you can see this is the movie recording size, but we will need to find the image quality option. So just go through all these tabs until you find image quality. Then open it. If you want to shoot photos in RAW, then there's two options. One is uncompressed and the other is compressed. You'll be able to see the picture size and resolution on top. And when it comes to JPEG, there's layers with two definitions. The quarter circle that is smooth is higher definition, and the one with the ladder is lower definition. And then there's the medium size and small size. So choose which format is suitable for you, and then you have to press select. But in case you have selected two formats, then this will save the same image in two formats. So if you don't want to do that, then just disable the format that you don't want to use by selecting the minus icon. So that's how you can change the image quality to JPEG or RAW on your Canon EOS camera. So if you want more useful guides like this, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel, and happy shooting!